Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to control who can see your current city on the Flickr app. If you value privacy or want to share your location selectively, this video will guide you through the process clearly and easily. First, open the Flickr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top of the screen. Then, select About from the available options. Look for the Current City option and tap on it to access visibility settings. Then, you will notice an option labeled Visible. Tap on it, and you will see several choices, including anyone, any Flickr member, people you follow, and friends and family. Choose the option that matches the level of privacy you want. If you want everyone to see your city, select Anyone. If you prefer it only visible to a close circle, select Friends and Family. Finally, once you have made your selection, the app will save your preferences automatically. You can always return to this setting to adjust who can see your current city if your privacy needs change. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.